Hello and welcome students. Today we're going to do the fourth module of Microsoft Excel. That is, the title of this project is Benviva Health Insurance. You can see the title, and it is the Excel module for SAM Critical Thinking Project C. You can see here, and this is the title. Well, if you want me to do this project for you or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, statistics, business analytics, or finance related projects, just text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me. I will get in touch with you within next few hours and your assignment will be done. And since it's a 24/7 available service, you can text me anytime. Moving to step number 1, that is Arjun Banerjee is a sales manager at Benviva Health Insurance and Kansas. He is compiling sales and advertising data for the marketing department and wants to use the Excel to create charts to illustrate the data and emphasize trends. Go to employee plan worksheet. The worksheet shows the number of health insurance plans sold by the quarter according to plan type. Arjun wants you to compare the number of plans sold in quarter 4. So it asks us to go to the employee plans worksheets. This is the employee plans worksheet. Now add a gradient fill blue data bars to the quarter 4 sales of each plan health type. So this is the quarter 4 sales and each health plan type. I'm going to add gradient fill blue data bars. So for this, first of all, I will select the range of quarter 4. Go to the I will go to the register formatting, data bars, and gradient fill blue data bars. This is the one. That's it. So we are done with step number 1. Moving to step number 2, to quickly show how the data has changed from one quarter to another, add a line sparkline to the trend column based on the all table data. So basically we are going to insert trend line over here based on this all data. Okay, so first of all, I will select this range and I will go to the insert. It was line sparkline. So we will go to the sparkline here group, and here I will click line. Now it asks us what is the range of those sparklines. So I will select this range. Click OK. Now you see sparkline has been inserted based on the data in the table. Moving to step number 3. Let me remind you, if you are feeling it difficult to execute, just text me on the WhatsApp or email, share your files with me and I will do the assignment for you. You just need to submit that, okay? So don't worry about it. Moving to step number 3. Change the sparkline color to blue, gray, accent 6, darker 50. So to apply the colors, first of all, we need to select the sparklines. And when you select the sparklines, you will see a sparkline tab appear. Now I will again check it. Blue, gray, accent 6, darker 50. So here is the sparkline color. Blue, gray, accent 6, lighter 50, I guess. Darker 50. Blue, gray, accent 6, darker 50. I guess this was it. Yeah. Now it says add markers that show the most sales and least sales. Again, you have to select all the sparklines. In the sparkline tab, here you will find high point and low point. Now it will indicate this is the high point in this range, this is the low point. I hope you got it. Moving to step number 4. Arjun has created a pie chart representing the percentage each health plan type contributed to the total plans sold in quarter 1. Okay. He asked to allow more room for the plot area to the chart. Okay. Move the data labels to the inside end of the chart. This is the pie chart he created, and we have to move those data labels. These are the data labels inside the chart. For this, you need to first select the chart. In the chart element, you need to click that, and here data labels, and here you have to click inside it. Now you see the data label has been positioned inside it. Move the legend of move the legend to the right of the plot area. These are the legends in the chart. Okay, so we have to position it on the right side of the chart. For this, you need to select the first of all need to select the chart, then select the chart element. Here navigate to legends. Now you can click right. So our legends have been positioned to the right side of the chart, and there is more space available right there for the chart. Okay, moving to step number 5. Arjun wants a small pie chart, a similar pie chart showing the percentage each health plan type contributed to the total sold plans in quarter 4. Okay, create a 2D pie chart based on the quarter 4 sales of each health plan type using the plan names as a category labels. So we are going to use two columns. First is the quarter 4 sales, and the second is the names of those plans. So first of all, I will select the names, and after that, pressing the control key, I will select the quarter 4 columns as well. So one thing to make sure that do not include the total, because you see here is the basic plan, premium. It will be the similar type of chart, but since and it will also be this is plan for quarter 4 plan sold, and we are creating the same kind of chart for quarter 4. This is quarter 1. So I've selected the range. Go to the insert tab. In the pie chart, here you will find 2D pie chart. Now it says size the chart so that it covers I-19 to O-34. I'm dragging it. Yeah, this is I-19. Cutting the edge inside the O border. Yeah, that's it. And here I have to shorten the length up to 34. I guess this is the one. So we are at 34 row. It's inside end of 34, and also in 19 I and O. So I-19 to O-34, it's covered now. I'm again repeating it. If you are finding it difficult, just text me on the WhatsApp. I will do the assignment for you and send it back to you with a very minimal charges. Okay, now moving to step number 6. Customize the pie chart for quarter 4 as follows. Enter plan sold quarter 4 as a chart title. So I'm copying it, and here I will click the plan chart title, and here I can paste the text what I just copied. Apply the same chart style as the quarter 1 chart. So first of all, we have to look which style has been applied to chart 1. First of all, need to select that chart 1, chart design, and here you can see this is selected. You see, so this is style 4. So I'm clicking here on the chart design tab, and here I will click on style 4. Next, apply the same color scheme as the quarter 1 chart. So again I will click on the quarter 1 chart design, and here I will check for the colors. Now you see this one is selected. Okay, so this is monochromatic plate 6. Now I will again click on this chart design tab, and here the colors monochromatic plate 6. So you can see it's turning to almost identical as this one. add data labels to match those in Q1 chart. So in this one, we already placed the data labels inside the chart. So at this one, we have to add those chart data labels inside. And for this, you see, because this was created because to create a bigger chart, and they have done it. Now we have similar situation right there. First of all, select the chart, click the chart element, data labels, and here you can click inside and okay, one more thing to mention is that it says that Arjun wants a pie chart showing the percentage. So here you can see we have the values, so we have to change those to a percentage. Okay, so for this I will go to the chart, the element, here go to the data labels, click more options, and here you have to check percentage and uncheck the value. Now you see those has been replaced with the only the percentage. Okay, data labels has been done. Now change the position of the legends so it matches the Q1 chart. So as we have did this position those on the right side of the chart, so we will do the same to this one. For this we need to click the chart, click the chart element, and here the legends to the right. That's it. So we are done with this step also. So now we are done with this step as well. It's almost halfway through, and that's it for this video because it's going to be a lengthier one if I complete all those. Let me know if you want me to do this assignment for you. Just text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me and share your files over there, and I will interact with you. And you can hire me for the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, statistics, business analytics, or finance related projects. So do text me if you want any help. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care.